Hello, my name is Jose Antonio Rodriguez Alonso, and I'm going to show you how to graph a quadratic equation with two solutions, how to graph an equation with one solution, and how to graph an equation with no solutions. First step, the quadratic equation with two solutions. What we're going to do is to write our equations. A plus 7x minus 8 equals 0. This will be our quadratic equation. And we need to take in consideration these four parts: the j-intercept, the vertex, the axis of symmetry, and the x-intercept. So then, first part, the j-intercept. What you're going to do is multiply all the x's by 0, so it will be 0, and you will leave the c. In this case, it will be the j-coordinate of the j-intercept, so it will be minus 8. And the vertex, like the second step, you are going to use this operation to take the first coordinate of the x coordinate. You're going to take b, that is 7, a, that is 1, and you're going to divide by them. So it will be minus 7 over 2 plus multiplied by 1, and you get minus 3.5. And the second step to get the j coordinate is to multiply minus 3.5 by all the x's, so it will be minus 3.5 squared plus 7x multiplied by minus 3.5 minus 8, and you get minus 20.25. Next step is the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry will be the line that passes through the middle of our graph, and you just need to know the x coordinate of the vertex, and it will be x equal minus 3.5. And the x-intercept, what you're going to do is to take the square of the graph, and is you need to find the numbers that multiplied get minus 8 and that are added or rested get 7. So it will be minus plus 8, that plus 8 minus 1, so this gets minus 8, and plus 8 minus 1 gets 7. So then you just pass x plus 8 equals 0, and you pass the plus 8 to the other side, and you get a minus 8. And the x minus 1, you get 0, and the x will be, and the x and the 1, you just pass to the other side, and you will get a 1. And now that's the coordinates where the graph is going to pass to the x coordinates. So if we want, we can check here our operations. So as you can see, first let's check the j-intercept. Yes, it passes through 8, the j-intercept. The equation passes through, it will be x equal, minus 3.5, and yes, this will be the axis of symmetry and also the vertex. And if we want to check, here is going to be the minus 20.25 is almost here, minus 20.25. And the last part is the axis of symmetry. The graph passes through minus 8, 0, and this is part of x. And let's check in the other side, and it will be in this part. It will be in 0,1. 0,1, so our graph is correct. Now let's check our second operation. What it consists is to pass What this consists is that when you pass, for example, x minus 3 equals minus 2, when you pass x to the other side and minus and plus 3 to the other side, you will get an operation that gets 0 equals 1. And you can see this has no solutions. So our graphs will never intercept each other. There's also, if you get a result where you get 0 equals 0, you will get an infinite number of solutions. Our second step is to get a graph that has one solution. That, for example, it gets at the end 1 equals 1. So this will be the question. X minus 2j equals 4 and x plus 3 equals 3x. So our question will be here. This would be the final product of our problems. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.